Hello guys, today we're Railfanning here today. We just got a Herzog cars here, and down there's some hoppers. So, there's also some engines behind these Herzog cars. And so yeah. So down this way, there's some there's a Carbo hopper, like it says proudly made in USA, which that's pretty cool. Let's go take a look at it, shall we? Alright, actually, I'm gonna keep filming these Herzog cars for now. But yeah, I think that's pretty cool. So there's like a lot of them down that way. There's some, yeah, pretty neat. So anyway, yeah, I might go down that way and go see that Carbo hopper, because I think that's pretty cool. I'm sorry, my fingers got in the way, but yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna zoom in all the way as well, just to make things a little easier. I'm in the grass now. So anyway, once we get to those, I'll stop recording and then I don't know what we'll do. I really want to get it on video too. Say goodbye to the Herzog cars for now. So anyway, we're almost there. If you see that little red logo, you can't really tell because the camera's shaking a lot from walking, but so anyway, we're getting close. You can see, although I put it on full zoom, so it's gonna scale my hand. Alright, I'll run a bit. We're getting close. Alright, we'll see now. And we're almost there. It's gonna take a while to get back. Alright, we're almost there. Alright, oh, by the way, I have a water backpack on, so you probably hear a lot of water. Alright, there it is, Carbo. Let me get a little closer to that. I'll be back in just a moment. I'm just kidding. No, I can't even pause my phone anyway. Alright, there it is. Carbo. You can't really see it, but it actually says proudly made in USA, which is pretty cool. Alright. So yeah, and down there's some Herzog cars. So yeah, that's all we got today, guys. We'll see you guys in the next video. If you guys don't notice, there's some Ballast cars behind the hoppers. Well, bye.